Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Kindle Fire, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by unpacking your Kindle Fire from the box. Ensure you have the device, charging cable, and power adapter. Plug the power adapter into an electrical outlet. Connect the charging cable to the Kindle Fire. Allow the device to charge until the battery icon appears on the screen. Press and hold the power button until the Kindle Fire powers on. Once the device is on, select your preferred language from the list. Connect to a Wi-Fi network by selecting your network name. Enter the Wi-Fi password when prompted, and tap Connect. Once connected, your Kindle Fire may automatically download updates. After any updates are installed, you will be prompted to sign in. If you have an Amazon account, enter your email and password. If you don't have an account, select the option to create a new one. Follow the prompts to create your Amazon account. Once signed in, you will see the home screen. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Access the settings by swiping down from the top of the screen. In the settings menu, adjust your preferences such as display brightness or sound. Visit the Amazon App Store to browse for apps to download. Select the apps you want and tap on the Get button to download them. Explore the Kindle store for ebooks, magazines, and other content. You can search for titles or browse categories. Once you find an item you want, tap on it for more details. Select Buy Now or Get if it's a free item. The content will be downloaded and will appear on your home screen. To read an ebook, tap on its cover to open. Use the settings to customize your reading experience. You can adjust font size, background color, and more. Explore additional features such as parental controls and device registration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.